Our goal in this video is to familiarize Octave commands, which are also applicable to Matlab. So let's start Octave. No GUI. So we have Octave version 4.0, and the way this works is scripting language. Like if I type a equals, for example, 2, then I have a scalar 2. I could input a vector, for example, a row vector x, for example. So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will have the row vector. I could choose to make it a column vector. Say this is y, and all I have to do is to put a semicolon as a separator. And I have a column vector. I could also input a matrix, like for example A equals, say, 1, 2, 3, and semicolon 4, 5, 6. So here we have a 2 by 3 matrix. And there are other commands, like we have a special matrices, like identity matrix. B is I if I want it to be 3 by 3, so identity 3. And we could also have matrix with zeros, say C equals zeros. Say I want to have it a size like 2 by 3 or 2 by 3. Or I could have ones as well. So D equals ones. Maybe size is 5 by 5. And pretty much you can also perform easy plotting. Like we could set a linear space. Let's have an X linear space, and let's set it from 0 to 100, and I want to have an interval. By default the interval will be 1, but let's have a 0.1 interval. And these are a lot of values, so I could choose not to print the actual row vector. So I will just put a semicolon, and then we could have plotting, basic plotting for it. So y is equals to the sine of that, for example, sine of x, and we could plot that one. So plot x, y, and we could have this figure